Today we'll be talking about the most important milestones that you need to develop in the first year of your baby's life. My name is Corien and I'm the owner and founder of the Mamma Mia Child Development app. In the 0 to 3 month bracket, the 5 most important milestones to develop is head control, vision development, hearing and communication, social interaction and reflexes. Now with head control, your baby will begin to lift their head during tummy time and hold it steady for that brief moment to exercise those neck muscles. With vision development, your baby will start to track moving objects and begin to focus on faces. With hearing and communication, your baby will respond to sounds by turning their head, and they will also start to make cooing and gurgling sounds. With social interaction, your baby will smile in response to others. And number 5, with regards to reflexes, your baby will display reflexes like the rooting reflex, the grasping reflex, and the startling reflex. In the 4 to 6 month bracket, the 5 most important milestones to develop there will be rolling over, hand-eye coordination, babbling, body strength, and social engagement. Number 1, rolling. Your baby might start rolling from tummy to back and later from back to tummy. With regards to eye-hand coordination, your baby will start reaching for toys and holding onto it and then bringing it to the mouth. With babbling, your baby might start producing more varied sounds and may even start doing sounds like a goo or copying da 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 or ma 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 ma. With body strength, your baby might start pushing up on her arms during tummy time and may sit with a little bit of support. And number 5, with social engagement, your baby might show interest in familiar faces and will react to the emotions of others. In the 7 to 9 month bracket, the 5 most important milestones to develop there will be sitting independently, object interaction, language progression, exploration, and stranger anxiety. With the first one, sitting independently, your baby needs to sit without support and may begin to transition from sitting into crawling. With regards to object interaction, your baby needs to grasp objects with a pincer grip, thumb and forefinger, and transfer objects between the hands. With language progression, your baby might respond to their name and understand simple words like no. With exploration, your baby might begin to crawl or scoot on their bum to explore their surroundings. And number 5, stranger anxiety. Your baby might show awareness of unfamiliar people and may cling to caregivers. This is a normal response as your baby is starting to become aware that they are not part of you. They are their own person. And that's why anxiety starts setting in. So this is a normal development milestone at this age. Lastly, in our 10 to 12 month bracket, the 5 most important milestones to develop here is number 1, standing and cruising, number 2, fine motor skills, number 3, understanding words, number 4, imitative play, and number 5, attachment and independence. So with number 1, standing and cruising, it's important that your baby pulls up to stand, even if it's against a couch or a table, and they need to cruise along the furniture to take their first steps. Number 2, fine motor skills. Your baby must use their fingers to feed themselves small pieces of food, so encourage that all the time. The third one is understanding words. Understanding simple instructions like come here and saying basic words like mama or dada is important at this age. Number 4, imitative play. Imitative play is mimicking actions such as clapping, waving or pointing. These 3 are important ones to develop in this age bracket. And the last one, attachment and independence. Your baby is forming strong attachments but begins exploring independently with confidence. So encourage that independent exploration. If you have any questions regarding your child's development or milestones, please feel free to reach out to us on social media or email us at info@mamamia.co.za. We are looking forward to hearing from you.